What's up, YouTube? This your boy Oso. I'm back in the garage. I'm gonna do a product review on some Harley Davidson front LED turn signals. Product review helps you, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'm new to this, so maybe you like some more of my content, but this is what we're looking at. So this is my bike right now, and we're gonna change these turn signals out. Alright, so I got the factory turn signals with aftermarket lenses. This is what they look like. Alright. So I found these aftermarket LED turn signals. So it comes in this little package. It's all marked. These things are actually heavy duty. I mean, I'm really shocked. Comes with a basic light bulb insert right here on it, but the housing, I mean, it's pretty fucking legit. I haven't ran these, I haven't installed them yet, obviously. I'll get to that in this video, but I mean, if you can check this out, I mean, it's pretty thick, some heavy duty plastic. The wiring seems pretty good. So check them out. Alright guys, it's as easy as that. You got 2 screws on both sides of the turn signals. There's a DOT SAE stamp on here. Just make sure they're on the top. It's as easy as that. Changing out a light bulb. You'll see what these things look like. They're bright. I can dig it. And they work. That's pretty much it. I'll catch you all on the next one. Coming up with some more product reviews. I'll leave a link in the description below for these turn signals if you're interested. Until then, let them hate. Peace.
Do my 2-step.